Meeting someone for the first time can make anyone a little anxious. After all, most of us want to be liked and respected, and no one wants to blow their chance to make a good first impression. 1. Be on time. Punctuality is crucial, especially in today's business world where everyone is ultra busy and their patience is extremely thin. Ever wait a few minutes for someone to join a conference call? I bet it seemed like an eternity. Probably one in which your opinion of the late arrival dropped considerably. So show respect and consideration by arriving on time. 2. Be positive. Greeting new people with a genuine smile is important. Also, try to keep the conversation on positive or, at the very least, neutral topics. While we all love a good moan from time to time, the first few hours or minutes of meeting someone are probably not an appropriate time to nab them as your personal agony aunt or sounding board for all your grievances and problems. 3. Keep your introduction short. A short introduction can give the other person a brief idea about who you are. It shouldn't take longer than 10 seconds. Long introductions aren't only boring, but they can also prevent the other person from opening himself up. The purpose of an introduction is to create a basis for the conversation so that it continues in a positive manner. 4. Appearance does matter. According to Glowzine Lifestyle, one of the easiest ways to ensure a good first impression is to dress according to the occasion. Put a lot of thought into your outfit and don't forget about accessories. Wear an outfit that will make you look good without sacrificing your level of comfort. If you look good, you will feel confident and relaxed. 5. Smile. This seems obvious, but smiles can communicate more than words can say. Putting a smile on your face makes you look and feel confident, positive and energetic. 6. Use names. People enjoy hearing their own names. It will let them know you are paying attention to them. 7. Body language. Research suggests that 80% of our communication is done through body language, meaning that people will get a certain impression of you before you even open your mouth. To make sure it's a good one, try to maintain open body language, such as uncrossing your arms and legs and angling your body towards the other person, which will make you seem more approachable, relaxed and open to conversation. 8. Pay attention. It may sound obvious, but an important step for making a good impression is to make sure you seem engaged and interested in what the other person is saying to you. Rather than reeling off a list of questions or conversation topics you have prepared in advance, make sure you listen to what the other person has to say and tailor your responses accordingly. Put down your phone. Listen. Give yourself 100% to that other person and chances are you will make a good impression. Your presence is the greatest gift you can offer another human being. 9. Make eye contact. It can be difficult to maintain eye contact if you're feeling nervous, but if your eyes are darting around the room whilst being spoken to, it can seem as though you aren't engaged in the conversation or are looking for an opportunity to get away. However, locking eyes for a prolonged period of time can also be a little bit intense with someone you don't know. To maintain natural eye contact without looking like you are having a staring contest, try the triangle method of glancing from one eye to the other, then to the mouth, and back again. 10. Be authentic. Being yourself is the first way to positively kickstart a new relationship. People can tell if you're not authentic and, more so, it's no fun for you to try to be something you're not. Don't try to be the person you think your audience wants to meet, rather than giving them a chance to get to know your true self first. 11. Compliment the other person. Compliments can get you a long way, particularly in encouraging a meaningful conversation. In making compliments, however, make sure that what you are saying is actually true. 12. Show sincere interest in other people. In business, most people assume that we are constantly looking for an angle. In reality, most business relationships that last are made by simply being sincere in your interactions. The best way to show sincere interest in other people is to come to terms with the reality that everyone has something unique to offer. 13. Don't use too much cologne or perfume. Studies show that nice-smelling people are generally considered more likable, but only if the person making that judgment is actually aware of a smell. So don't go overboard if you are the kind of person who prefers a special scent. 14. Do not look at your phone. During the first 10 minutes of meeting someone, do not pull your phone out and look at it. Focus on staying present within the conversation, no matter what life or work distractions might be vibrating in your pocket. Being perceived as disorientated, distracted or, worse, disinterested, not only makes for a bad impression, but it can create a halo effect of how others view your business practices. 15. Ask questions that show you're listening. Make sure to ask questions that indicate you're interested and that you're listening. That person will do 95% of the talking and will only remember what a great conversation you had. However, it is very imperative to ask relevant questions. Conclusion. I would like to see your first impression by subscribing to my channel and also hitting the bell notification to be the first to receive our next education videos. Thank you.